What's up everyone? Welcome back to Valvetronic and welcome to part 3 of our G87 M2 sound improvement process. Now on the car we've got free flow downpipes and we have our titanium equal length midpipe and we've got our stock diaper on the car. The stock rear muffler is on the car right now and we are using a external valve controller. So if you guys wanted the best sound with the titanium midpipe, the downpipes and such, but you didn't want to put the axle back on, you wanted to save some money there, this is what your G87 M2 would sound like. You can take a look here actually. This is our titanium axle back as presented to you on a Walmart shopping cart. Excellent tool for moving systems around the shop. This configuration would be the full system. We're going to show you this in part 4. We'll talk a bit more about that here shortly, but the rear back box, this system with the downpipes and such is a pretty good daily drive setup. This muffler does a decent job of having variable sound levels for valves open and valves closed, so it's a pretty good setup. And of course the titanium equal length midpipe gives you the sound quality and the high pitch exotic flavor that we all love. Let's get to it.